Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to dry skin, there's so many of us that struggle with a dry skin. A dry skin is when the skin is not producing enough moisture and not producing enough sebum to keep the skin moisturized, to keep the skin hydrated. So what you can choose to do is to turn to a humectant. One form of humectant is petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly works on the skin by locking the moisture in the skin and preventing the water from escaping. That makes it ideal for dry skin. But we're not just going to use just the petroleum jelly on the skin. We're going to make a dry skin remedy. And here we have it here, right here. It's in the form of a balm. And I'm going to show you how to whip this up in your kitchen. And this you're going to use on your face, on your neck, all over your body. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. Before we get into the kitchen, we're on our way to 2 million subscribers. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and it's as easy as that. You're subscribed. Now if you want to get a notification as soon as we upload a video, click on that little bell icon at the side and guess what? You'll get a notification each time we upload a video. Also guys, we have our skincare product line. If you're interested in those, visit my website ALESMAXii.com and get yourself some amazing skincare products to also help to transform your skin. Now with that out of the way, let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So here we have the petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. You're going to need a small bowl and we're going to use about 1 tablespoon rounded of our petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a humectant. It has a lot moisture in the skin, and this is what makes it good for dry skin. It prevents the water from escaping from the skin. Once we have the petroleum jelly here, we are going to just soften it with our spoon like I'm showing here, and you're just going to keep beating on it basically. And then you just swoosh it around in the bowl, and this is gonna make it be more warm, so it's gonna create easier blending. Now once this is done, we are gonna reach for our next ingredient, and I'm gonna use some aloe vera gel in this recipe. I'm using 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel have to hydrate the skin, and it also have to lock moisture in the skin. It is a great for dry skin, and especially when you mix it with the petroleum jelly, it's going to become like a sealant to the skin. Perfect for your face and all over your body. Once we had the aloe vera gel, we are going to continue mixing. For this recipe, if you have fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead, extract the gel, blend it, and then use it in this recipe. Dry skin causes your skin to have a rough texture because it doesn't have enough moisture. When you use this remedy, it is what's going to lock the moisture in, prevent it from escaping from the skin, and that is what's going to help your skin to be more hydrated. Now we are going to add an oil to this. I'm using pomegranate seed oil. Go ahead and use any of your favorite oil in this recipe. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the pomegranate seed oil and I'm blending this in. Now I'm gonna warm the mixture, so I'm gonna take some hot water, around about 2 cups of hot water, and I'm placing it in my small pot. I'm gonna add some paper towel to this. You can add cheesecloth, any kind of a cloth you have, and now I'm just gonna rest my bowl in the hot water. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just keep stirring this and keep stirring. Remember, the water is hot, so be careful here. This is gonna melt the petroleum jelly, and this is gonna allow the aloe vera on the oil to totally blend in with the petroleum jelly. So you're going to mix this until it forms more like a serum or cream-like consistency. And depending on how hot your water is, this might take you about 2 to 3 minutes or so. So continue to blend. The oil films from our facial moisturizer is gonna help to seal the moisture in the skin and keep the skin soft and hydrated. Once the petroleum jelly is totally melted, we're going to remove it from the pot. Be careful. This is now going to be very warm, and we are going to continue to mix. Continue to mix. Remember, as soon as this is cooled, the petroleum jelly is going to form more like a balm. So keep mixing, mixing all the ingredient, and now it is ready. You can choose to set it aside to pour, or you can choose to pour right away. I like to pour right away because, as I said, it's going to form more of a balm like once it is totally cooled. So now let's pour in our small storage jar. Remember to sterilize all your jars. You can choose to just place the jars in hot boiling water, leave it on for about 3 minutes and remove it. That's the easiest way to sterilize your jars, whether they are new or you are reusing them. Now let's pour this in. And now this is good. This is good to use on the face and also your entire body. Best way to use this for your body is once you step out of that shower, just pat dry the skin, leave it a little damp, and take a little of this, rub it in your hands, warm it, and apply it all over your body. Of course, we can show that demonstration for the body for here, so we're just going to show you on the back of our hands. You massage it in, and when you're done, yes, it is good for your hands also, face and body, and also your dry cracked ears. This is good to use anywhere on your skin. So apply it and leave it there. Continue to use. Look at that. Look how hydrated this is. And before you know it, you are no longer struggling with a dry skin. This you can leave on the countertop. No need to store it in the refrigerator. And when it is done, go ahead and make a new batch. One thing I forget to mention is that this is also good to use on your dry, cracked lips. Exfoliate your lips with a little sugar and oil, and then you use this to keep it hydrated. There you have it, a very simple recipe using only 3 ingredients: petroleum jelly, aloe vera gel, pomegranate seed oil, for getting rid of dry, rough looking skin. Now that you make it this far in the video, I am going to recommend 2 more videos for you to watch. Click on any one of the videos that you're seeing above, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share the videos. And also, what other ingredient would you add to this recipe?